Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial we will knit this chunky beginner friendly hat with this simple crown. For this hat you will need to know how to knit in rounds and how to knit and purl stitches only. Easy, and I like how it fits. For this tutorial I was using penguin yarn, so the yarn looks like this, really chunky, and the hat is super warm because it has 20% of mohair and 20% of wool. Then where it says it's chunky, as you may see, and it has 50 meters per 50 grams wool. In total you will need about 75-80 grams, so this is leftover from my second ball, so 75-80 grams for one hat. For this size 54 up to 56 I was using 5 millimeters knitting needles, circular one. You may also use double pointed. It is better to use double pointed for the crown. If you don't have, no worries, you can do it with circular ones. If you want a bigger size hat, don't change the pattern and use 5.5 or 6 millimeters knitting needles. So that's basically it. If you like this hat, and you will like it, I am sure, let's do it together. Using a long tail cast on method, cast on 50 stitches plus one extra stitch, and this one extra stitch we will use to join and knit in rounds. So what we are doing, slip the first stitch to the right hand needle, then pick up the last stitch and slip it over the first one, drop it off the needle and return first stitch back to the left hand needle. Pull both tails. Place stitch marker and the first round we are going to knit all stitches. Just knit all stitches around. Go on knit until the stitch marker and then knit 2 more rounds in stockinette stitch, so in total 3 rounds. I have done 3 rounds. After that, next round, purl all stitches. And in total we will purl 5 next rounds. So purl all stitches till the stitch marker. After that, purl 4 more rounds, so in total 5. Here it is, and now we are going to repeat everything from the beginning. 3 rounds of stockinette stitch, just knit all stitches, so finish 3 rounds of stockinette stitch, and after that purl 5 rounds. In this way you go on repeating as many times until the hat reaches 20-21 centimeters. Here I am, and that's what I have. Look at this. So in total I have done, if we count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have finished with 5 purl rounds. Without stretching, if you measure the hat without stretching it, the hat measures now, in my case, 21 centimeters. And now we are going to start shaping the crown. And I want you to stop at the same point, so when we start knitting, just in stockinette stitch. And the first round, knit 1, knit 2 together. And again, knit 1, knit 2 together. Knit 1, knit 2 together. Please go on, making decreases. Knit 1, knit 2 together till the stitch marker. If you want, it's time to change to double pointed needles. At the end we have just 2 knit stitches, just knit them. Now round number 2, there will be no decreases, just knit all stitches around. Go on and finish this round. Round number 3 will be the same as round number 1. Knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together. Knit 1, knit 2 together. Knit 1, knit 2 together. Please go on repeating and making decreases. Knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together till the stitch marker. At the end we have 1 stitch, just knitted. Round number 4, no decreases here, just knit all stitches around. Go on and finish this round. And the last round, round number 5, knit 2 together all the way around. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. Please go on and finish. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together till the stitch marker. That's it, guys. That's what I have. The crown is ready. Now cut the yarn. Now you will need to use a hook or yarn needle. Thread the tail and pull the tail through remaining stitches. Pull tight And again, pull the tail once or twice underneath the same stitches. Now pull the needle to the wrong side here, make a knot right away. Good. And weave in. Cut the yarn, and there is one more tail at the beginning. Just weave in the same way. That's it, guys. The hat is ready. Do not forget to wash it and dry it flat. It will look much better. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions. If you are looking for written instruction, you can find it on my blog. There will be a link down. Please check it, and check my YouTube channel for more hats tutorial. There are lots of them. I wish you all a good day and see you soon.